Tamil Nadu 12th Standard General Maths Book Back Multiple Choice Question and Answers. Chapter 1 Applications of Matrices and Determinant. Question number 1. If determinant of adjoint A equal to determinant of A power 9, then the order of the square matrix A is option A 3, option B 4, option C 2, option D 5. The correct option is option B 4. Question number 2. If A is a 3 by 3 non-singular matrix such that A transpose equal to A transpose A and B A inverse A transpose equal to B transpose equal to option A, option B, option C I3, option D B transpose. The correct option is option C I3. Question number 3. If A equal to matrix of 3, 5, 1, 2, B equal to adjoint A and C equal to 3A, then determinant of adjoint B divided by determinant of C equal to option A 1 by 3, option B 1 by 9, option C 1 by 4, option D 1. The correct option is option B 1 by 9. Question number 4. If A into matrix of 1 minus 2, 1, 4 equal to matrix of 6, 0, 0, 6, then A equal to option A 1 minus 2, 1, 4, option B 1, 2 minus 1, 4, option C 4, 2 minus 1, 1, option D 4 minus 1, 2, 1. The correct option is option C, matrix of 4, 2 minus 1, 1. Question number 5. If A equal to matrix of 7, 3, 4, 2, then 9I2 minus A equal to option A inverse, option B, A inverse by 2, option C, 3A inverse, option D, 2A inverse. The correct option is option D, 2A inverse. Question number 6. If A equal to matrix of 2, 0, 1, 5 and B equal to matrix of 1, 4, 2, 0, then determinant of adjoint AB equal to option A minus 40, option B minus 80, option C minus 60, option D minus 20. The correct option is option B minus 80. Question number 7. If P equal to matrix of 1x0, 1, 3, 0, 2, 4 minus 2 is the adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix A and determinant of A equal to 4, then X is option A 15, option B 12, option C 14, option D 11. The correct option is option D 11. Question number 8. If A equal to matrix of 3, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 0, 1, 2 minus 1 and A inverse equal to matrix of A11, A212, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Then the value of A23 is option A 0, option B -2, option C -3, option D -1. The correct option is option D -1. Question number 9. If A, B and C are invertible matrices of some order, then which one of the following is not true? Option A. Adjoint A equal to determinant A inverse. Option B. Adjoint AB equal to adjoint A, adjoint B. Option C. Determinant A inverse equal to determinant A whole inverse. Option D. ABC whole inverse equal to C inverse, B inverse, A inverse. The correct option is option B. Adjoint AB equal to adjoint A into adjoint B. Question number 10. If AB whole inverse equal to matrix of 12 minus 17 minus 19 27 and A inverse equal to matrix of 1 minus 1 minus 2 3, then B inverse equal to option A matrix of 2 minus 5 minus 3 8. Option B matrix of 8 5 3 2. Option C matrix of 3 1 2 1. Option D matrix of 8 minus 5 minus 3 1. The correct option is option A matrix of 2 minus 5 minus 3 8. Question number 11. If A transpose A inverse is symmetric, then A square equal to option A inverse, option B A transpose whole square, option C A transpose, option D A inverse whole square. The correct option is option B A transpose whole square. Question number 12. If A is a non-singular matrix such that A inverse equal to matrix of 5, 3, minus 2, minus 1, then A transpose whole inverse equal to option A matrix of minus 5, 3, 2, 1. Option B matrix of 5, 3, minus 2, minus 1. Option C matrix of minus 1, minus 3, 2, 5. Option D matrix of 5, minus 2, 3, minus 1. The correct option is option D matrix of 5, minus 2, 3, minus 1. Question number 13. If A equal to matrix of 3 by 5, 4 by 5, x 3 by 5 and A transpose equal to A inverse, then the value of x is option A minus 4 by 5, option B minus 3 by 5, option C 3 by 5, option D 4 by 5. The correct option is option A minus 4 by 5. Question number 14. If A equal to matrix of 1 tan theta by 2 minus tan theta by 2 1 and AB equal to I, then B equal to option A cos square theta by 2 into A, option B cos square theta by 2 into A transpose, option C cos square theta into I, option D sin square theta by 2 into A. The correct option is option B cos square theta by 2 into A transpose. Question number 15. If A equal to matrix of cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta, and A into adjoint A equal to matrix of K 0 0 K, then adjoint of AB is option A 0, option B sin theta, option C cos theta, option D 1. The correct option is option D 1. Question number 16. If A equal to matrix of 2, 3, 5 minus 2 be such that lambda A inverse equal to A, then lambda is option A 17, option B 14, option C 19, option D 21. The correct option is option C 19. Question number 17. If adjoint A equal to matrix of 2, 3, 4 minus 1 and adjoint B equal to matrix of 1 minus 2 minus 3 1, then adjoint of AB is option A matrix of minus 7 minus 1 7 minus 9, option B matrix of minus 6 5 minus 2 minus 10, option C matrix of minus 7 7 minus 1 minus 9, option D minus 6 minus 2 5 minus 10. The correct option is option B matrix of minus 6 5 minus 2 minus 10. Question number 18. The rank of the matrix 1 2 3 4 2 4 6 8 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 is option A 1, option B 2, option C 4, option D 3. The correct option is option A 1. Question number 19. If x power A, y power B equal to e power m, comma, x power C, y power D equal to e power n, del 1 equal to determinant of m, b, n, d, del 2 equal to determinant of a, m, c, n, del 3 equal to determinant of a, b, c, d, then the value of x and y respectively. Option A e power del 2 by del 1, comma, e power del 3 by del 1. Option B log of del 1 by del 3, comma, log of del 2 by del 3. Option C log of del 2 by del 1, comma, log of del 3 by del 1. Option D e power del 1 by del 3, comma, e power del 2 by del 3. The correct option is option D e power del 1 by del 3, comma, e power del 2 by del 3. Question number 20. Which of the following is correct? 1. Adjoint of a symmetric matrix is also a symmetric matrix. 2. Adjoint of a diagonal matrix is also a diagonal matrix. 3. If A is a square matrix of order n and lambda is a scalar, then adjoint of lambda A equal to lambda power n adjoint A. 4. A adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to determinant A I. Option A only 1. Option B 2 and 3. Option C 3 and 4. Option D 1, 2 and 4. The correct option is option D 1, 2 and 4. Question number 21. If row of A equal to row of A divides B, then the system AX equal to B of linear equations is option A, consistent and has a unique solution. Option B, consistent. Option C, consistent and has infinitely many solutions. Option D, inconsistent. The correct option is option B, consistent. Question number 22. If 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi and the system of equations x plus sin theta y minus cos theta z equal to 0, cos theta x, minus y plus z equal to 0, sin theta x plus y minus z equal to 0 has a non-trivial solution, then theta is option A, 2 pi by 3, option B, 3 pi by 4, option C, 5 pi by 6, option D, pi by 4. The correct option is option D, pi by 4. Question number 23. The augmented matrix of a system of linear equations is matrix of 1, 2, 7, 3, 0, 1, 4, 6, 0, 0, lambda minus 7, mu plus 5. This system has infinitely many solutions if option A, lambda equal to 7, mu naught is equal to minus 5. Option B, lambda equal to minus 7, mu equal to 5. Option C, lambda not equal to 7, mu equal to minus 5. Option D, lambda equal to 7, mu equal to minus 5. The correct option is D, lambda equal to 7, mu equal to minus 5. Question number 24. Let A equal to matrix of 2 minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 and 4B equal to matrix of 3, 1 minus 1, 1, 3x minus 1, 1, 3. If B is the inverse of A, then the value of x is option A, 2, option B, 4, option C, 3, option D, 1. The correct option is option D, 1. Question number 25. If A equal to matrix of 3 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 1, 1, then adjoint of adjoint A is option A, matrix of 3 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 1, 1. Option B, matrix of 6 minus 6, 8, 4 minus 6, 8, 0 minus 2, 2. Option C, matrix of minus 3, 3 minus 4, minus 2, 3 minus 4, 0, 1 minus 1. Option D, matrix of 3 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 3, 4. The correct option is option A, matrix of 3 minus 3, 4, 2 minus 3, 4, 0 minus 1, 1. Chapter 2, Complex Numbers. Question number 26. I power n plus I power n plus 1 plus I power n plus 2 plus I power n plus 3 is option A, 0, option B, 1, option C, minus 1, option D, I. The correct option is option A, 0. Question number 27. The value of summation n varies from 1 to 13 I power n plus I power n minus 1 is option A 1 plus I, option B I, option C 1, option D 0. The correct option is option A 1 plus I. Question number 28. The area of the triangle formed by the complex number z, iz and z plus iz in the Argand's diagram is option A 1 by 2 modulus of z square, option B modulus of z square, option C 3 by 2 modulus of z square, option D 2 modulus of z square. The correct option is option A 1 by 2 modulus of z square. Question number 29. The conjugate of a complex number is 1 by I minus 2. Then the complex number is option A 1 by I plus 2, option B minus 1 by I plus 2, option C minus 1 by I minus 2, option D 1 by I minus 2. The correct option is option B minus 1 by I plus 2. Question number 30. If z equal to root 3 plus I whole cube, 3I plus 4 whole square divided by 8 plus 6I whole square, then modulus of z is equal to option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. The correct option is option C 2. Question number 31. If z is a non-zero complex number such that 2I z square equal to z bar, then modulus of z is option A 1 by 2, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. The correct option is option A 1 by 2. Question number 32. If modulus of z minus 2 plus I less than or equal to 2, then the greatest value of modulus z is option A root 3 minus 2, option B root 3 plus 2, option C root 5 minus 2, option D root 5 plus 2. The correct option is option D root 5 plus 2. Question number 33. If modulus of z minus 3 by z equal to 2, then the least value of z modulus of z is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 5. The correct option is option A 1. Question number 34. If modulus of z equal to 1, then the value of 1 plus z divided by 1 plus z bar is option A z, option B z bar, option C 1 by z, option D 1. The correct option is option A z. Question number 35. The solution of the equation modulus of z minus z equal to 1 plus 2I is option A 3 by 2 minus 2I, option B minus 3 by 2 plus 2I, option C 2 minus 3 by 2I, option D 2 plus 3 by 2 I. The correct option is option A, 3 by 2 minus 2I. Question number 36. If modulus of Z1 equal to 1, modulus of Z2 equal to 2, modulus of Z3 equal to 3, and modulus of 9 Z1 Z2 plus 4 Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z3 equal to 12, then the value of modulus of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct option is option B 2. Question number 37. If Z is a complex number such that Z belongs to complex number not real number and Z plus 1 by Z belongs to real number, then modulus of Z is option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. The correct option is option B 1. Question number 38. Z1, Z2, and Z3 are complex numbers such that Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 equal to 0 and modulus of Z1 equal to modulus of Z2 equal to modulus of Z3 equal to 1. Then Z1 square plus Z2 square plus Z3 square is option A 3, option B 2, option C 1, option D 0. The correct option is option D 0. Question number 39. If Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1 is purely imaginary, then modulus of Z is option A 1 by 2, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. The correct option is option B 1. Question number 40. If Z equal to x plus iy is a complex number such that modulus of Z plus 2 equal to modulus of Z minus 2, then the locus of Z is option A real axis, option B imaginary axis, option C ellipse, option D circle. The correct option is option B imaginary axis. Question number 41. The principal argument of 3 by minus 1 plus I is option A minus 5 pi by 6, option B minus 2 pi by 3, option C minus 3 pi by 4, option D minus pi by 2. The correct option is option C minus 3 pi by 4. Question number 42. The principal argument of sine 40 degree plus I cos 40 degree whole power 5 is option A minus 110 degree, option B minus 70 degree, option C 70 degree, option D 110 degree. The correct option is option A minus 110 degree. Question number 43. If 1 plus I into 1 plus 2I into 1 plus 3I dot dot 1 plus ni equal to x plus iy, then 2 into 5 into 10 dot dot 1 plus n square is option A 1, option B I, option C x square plus y square, Option D 1 plus n square. The correct option is option C x square plus y square. Question number 44. If omega not equal to 1 is the cubic root of unity and 1 plus omega whole power 7 equal to a plus b omega, then set of a comma b equals option A set of 1 comma 0, option B set of minus 1 comma 1, option C set of 0 comma 1, option D set of 1 comma 1. The correct option is option D set of 1 comma 1. Question number 45. The principal argument of the complex number 1 plus I root 3 whole square divided by 4I into 1 minus I root 3 is option A 2 pi by 3, option B pi by 6, option C 5 pi by 6, option D pi by 2. The correct option is option D pi by 2. Question number 46. If alpha and beta are the roots of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, then alpha power 2020 plus beta power 2020 is option A minus 2, option B minus 1, option C 1, option D 2. The correct option is option B minus 1. Question number 47. The product of all four values of cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 whole power 3 by 4 is option A minus 2, option B minus 1, option C 1, option D 2. The correct option is option C 1. Question number 48. If omega not equal to 1 is a cubic root of unity and determinant of 1, 1, 1, 1 minus omega square minus 1, omega square, 1, omega square, omega power 7 equal to 3k, then k is equal to option A 1, option B minus 1, option C root 3i, option D minus root 3i. The correct option is option D minus root 3i. Question number 49. The value of 1 plus root 3i divided by 1 minus root 3i whole power 10 is option A CIS 2 pi by 3, option B CIS 4 pi by 3, option C minus CIS 2 pi by 3, option D minus CIS 4 pi by 3. The correct option is option A CIS 2 pi by 3. Question number 50. If omega equal to CIS 2 pi by 3, then the number of distinct roots of determinant z plus 1 omega, omega square, omega, z plus omega square, 1, omega square, 1, z plus omega equal to 0. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct option is option A 1. Chapter 3 Theory of Equations. Question number 51. A 0 of x cube plus 64 is option A 0, option B 4, option C 4i, option D -4. The correct option is option D -4. Question number 52. If f and g are polynomials of degrees m and n respectively, and if h of x equal to f composite g of x, then the degree of h is option A mn, option B m plus n, option C m power n, option D n power m. The correct option is option A mn. Question number 53. A polynomial equation in x of degree n always has option A n distinct roots, option B n real roots, option C roots, option D at most one root. The correct option is option C n imaginary roots. Question number 54. If alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of x cube plus px square plus qx plus r, then summation of 1 by alpha is option A minus q by r, option B minus p by r, option C q by r, option D minus q by p. The correct option is option B minus p by r. Question number 55. According to the rational root theorem, which number is not possible rational zero of 4x power 7 plus 2x power 4 minus 10x cube minus 5? Option A -1, option B 5 by 4, option C 4 by 5, option D 5. The correct option is option B 5 by 4. Question number 56. The polynomial x cube minus kx square plus 9x has 3 real zeros if and only if k satisfies option A modulus of k less than or equal to 6, option B k equal to 0, option C modulus of k strictly greater than 6, option D modulus of k greater than or equal to 6. The correct option is option D modulus of k greater than or equal to 6. Question number 57. The number of real numbers in 0, 2 pi satisfying sine power 4x minus 2 sine square x plus 1 is option A 2, option B 4, option C 1, option D infinity. The correct option is option A 2. Question number 58. If x cube plus 12x square plus 10ax plus 1999 definitely has a positive 0 if and only if option A greater than or equal to 0, option B A strictly greater than 0, option C A strictly less than 0, Option D. A less than or equal to 0. The correct option is option C. A less than 0. Question number 59. The polynomial x cubed plus 2x plus 3 has option A. 1 negative and 2 imaginary zeros. Option B. 2 positive, 1 positive and 2 imaginary zeros. Option C. 3 real zeros. Option D. No zeros. The correct option is option A. 1 negative and 2 imaginary zeros. Question number 60. The number of positive zeros of the polynomial summation j varies to 0 to n NCR minus 1 power r x power r is option A 0, option B n, option C strictly less than n, option D r. The correct option is option B n. Chapter 4 Inverse Trigonometric Functions. Question number 61. The value of sine inverse of cos x 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi is option A. Pi minus x. Option B. X minus pi by 2. Option C. Pi by 2 minus x. Option D. Pi minus x. The correct option is option C. Pi by 2 minus x. Question number 62. If sine inverse of x plus sine inverse of y equal to 2 pi by 3, then cos inverse of x plus cos inverse of y is equal to option A. 2 pi by 3. Option B. Pi by 3. Option C. Pi by 6. Option D. Pi. The correct option is option B. Pi by 3. Question number 63. Sine inverse of 3 by 5 minus cos inverse of 12 by 13 plus secant inverse of 5 by 3 minus cosecant inverse of 13 by 12 is equal to option A. 2 pi, option B. Pi, option C. 0, option D. Tan inverse of 12 by 65. The correct option is option C. 0. Question number 64. If sine inverse of x equal to 2 sine inverse of alpha has a solution, then option A. Modulus of alpha less than or equal to 1 by root 2. Option B. Modulus of alpha greater than or equal to 1 by root 2. Option C. Modulus of alpha strictly less than 1 by root 2. Option D. Modulus of alpha strictly greater than 1 by root 2. The correct option is option A. Modulus of alpha less than or equal to 1 by root 2. Question number 65. Sine inverse of cos x equal to pi by 2 minus x is valid for option A. Minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. Option B. 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. Option C. Minus pi by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 2. Option D. Minus pi by 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3 pi by 4. The correct option is option B. 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. Question number 66. If sine inverse of x plus sine inverse of y plus sine inverse of z equal to 3 pi by 2, the value of x power 2017 plus y power 2018 plus z power 2019 minus 9 divided by x power 101 plus y power 101 plus z power 101 is option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. The correct option is option A 0. Question number 67. If cot inverse of x equal to 2 pi by 5 for some x belongs to R, the value of tan inverse of x is option A minus pi by 10, option B pi by 5, option C pi by 10, option D minus pi by 5. The correct option is option C pi by 10. Question number 68. The domain of the function defined by f of x equal to sine inverse of root x minus 1 is option A closed interval 1 comma 2, option B closed interval minus 1 comma 1, option 3 closed interval 0 comma 1, option D closed interval minus 1 comma 0. The correct option is option A closed interval 1 comma 2. Question number 69. If x equal to 1 by 5, the value of cos inverse of x plus 2 sin inverse of x is option A minus root 24 by 25, option B root 24 by 25, option C 1 by 5, option D minus 1 by 5. The correct option is option D minus 1 by 5. Question number 70. Tan inverse of 1 by 4 plus tan inverse of 2 by 9 is equal to option A 1 by 2 cos inverse of 3 by 5, option B 1 by 2 sin inverse of 3 by 5, option C 1 by 2 tan inverse of 3 by 5, option D tan inverse of 1 by 2. The correct option is option D tan inverse of 1 by 2. Question number 71. If the function f of x equal to sine inverse of x square minus 3, then x belongs to option A closed interval minus 1 comma 1, option B closed interval root 2 comma 2, option C closed interval minus 2 comma minus root 2 union closed interval root 2 comma 2, option D closed interval minus 2 comma minus root 2. The correct option is option C closed interval minus 2 comma minus root 2 union closed interval root 2 comma 2. Question number 72. If cot inverse of 2 and cot inverse of 3 are two angles of a triangle, then the third angle is option A pi by 4, option B 3 pi by 4, option C pi by 6, option D pi by 3. The correct option is option B 3 pi by 4. Question number 73. Sine inverse of tan pi by 4 minus sine inverse of root 3 by x equal to pi by 6. Then x is the root of the equation. Option A. X square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Option B. X square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. Option C. X square plus x minus 12 equal to 0. Option D. X square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. The correct option is option B. X square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. Question number 74. Sin inverse of 2 cos square x minus 1 plus cos inverse of 1 minus 2 sin square x equal to. Option A. Pi by 2. Option B. Pi by 3. Option C. Pi by 4. Option D. Pi by 6. The correct option is option A. Pi by 2. Question number 75. If cot inverse of root sin alpha plus tan inverse of root sin alpha equal to u, then cos 2u is equal to option A. Tan square alpha. Option B. 0. Option C. minus 1. Option D. Tan 2 alpha. The correct option is option C. minus 1. Question number 76. If modulus of x less than or equal to 1, then 2 tan inverse of x minus sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to option A. Tan inverse of x. Option B. Sin inverse of x. Option C. 0. Option D. Pi. The correct option is option C. 0. Question number 77. The equation tan inverse of x minus cot inverse of x equal to tan inverse of 1 by root 3 has option A. No solution. Option B. Unique solution. Option C. Two solutions. Option D. Infinite number of solutions. The correct option is option B. Unique solution. Question number 78. If sin inverse of x plus cot inverse of 1 by 2 equal to pi by 2, then x is equal to option A. 1 by 2. Option B. 1 by root 5. Option C. 2 by root 5. Option D. root 3 by 2. The correct option is option B. 1 by root 5. Question number 79. If sin inverse of x by 5 plus cosecant inverse of 5 by 4 equal to pi by 2, then the value of x is option A. 4. Option B. 5. Option C. 2. Option D. 3. The correct option is option D. 3. Question number 80. Sin of tan inverse of x, where modulus of x is strictly less than 1 is equal to option A. X by root of 1 minus x square. Option B. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Option C. 1 by root of 1 plus x square. Option D. X by root of 1 plus x square. The correct option is option D. X by root of 1 plus x square. Chapter 5. Two-dimensional analytical geometry 2. Question number 81. The equation of the circle passing through 1, 5 and 4, 1 and touching y-axis is x square plus y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 9 plus lambda into 4x plus 3y minus 19 equal to 0, where lambda is equal to option A 0, minus 40 by 9, option B 0, option C 40 by 9, option D minus 40 by 9. The correct option is option A 0, minus 40 by 9. Question number 82. The eccentricity of the hyperbola whose lattice rectum is 8 and conjugate axis is equal to the of the distance between the foci. Option A 4 by 3, option B 4 by root 3, option C 2 by root 3, option D 3 by 2. The correct option is option C 2 by root 3. Question number 83. The circle x square plus y square equal to 4x plus 8y plus 5 intersects the line 3x minus 4y equal to m at two distinct points if option A 15 less than m less than 65, option B 35 less than m less than 85, option C minus 85 less than m less than minus 35, option D minus 35 less than m less than 15. The correct option is option D minus 35 less than m less than 15. Question number 84. The length of the diameter of the circle which touches the x-axis at the point 1, 0 and passes through the point 2, 3. A 6 by 5, option B 5 by 3, option C 10 by 3, option D 3 by 5. The correct option is option C 10 by 3. Question number 85. The radius of the circle 3x square plus by square plus 4bx minus 4by plus b square equal to 0 is option A 1, B 3, C root 10, D root 11. The correct option is option C root 10. Question number 86. The center of the circle inscribed in a square formed by the lines x square minus 8x minus 12 equal to 0 and y square minus 14y plus 45 equal to 0 is option A 4, 7, B 7, 4, C 9, 4, D 4, 9. The correct option is option A 4, 7. Question number 87. The equation of the normal to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, which is parallel to the line 2x plus 4y equal to 3 is option A x plus 2y equal to 3, option B x plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0, option C 2x plus 4y plus 3 equal to 0, option D x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. The correct option is option A x plus 2y equal to 3. Question number 88. If P of x, y be any 2 points on 16x square plus 25y square equal to 400 with foci f1 3, 0 and f2 minus 3, 0, then pf1 plus pf2 is option A 8, option B 6, option C 10, option D 12. The correct option is Option C, 10. Question number 89. The radius of the circle passing through the point 6, 2, two halves whose diameter are x plus y equal to 6 and x plus 2y equal to 4 is option A, 10, option B, 2 root 5, option C, 6, option D, 4. The correct option is option B, 2 root 5. Question number 90. The area of quadrilateral formed with foci of the hyperbolas x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 and x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to minus 1 is option A, 4 into a square plus b square, option B, 2 into a square plus b square, option C, a square plus b square, option D, 1 by 2 into a square plus b square. The correct option is option B, 2 into a square plus b square. Question number 91. If the normals of the parabola y square equal to 4x drawn at the end points of its lattice rectum are tangent to the circle x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square equal to r square, then the value of r square is option A, 2, option B, 3, option C, 1, option D, 4. The correct option is option A, 2. Question number 92. If x plus y equal to k is a normal to the parabola y square equal to 12x, then the value of k is option A, 3, option B, minus 1, option C, 1, option D, 9. The correct option is option D, 9. Question number 93. The ellipse E1 x square plus 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1 is inscribed in a rectangle R whose sides are parallel to the coordinate axis. Another ellipse E2 passing through the point 0, 4 circumscribes the rectangle R. The eccentricity of the ellipse is option A, root 2 by 2, option B, root 3 by 2, option C, 1 by 2, option D, 3 by 4. The correct option is option C, 1 by 2. Question number 94. Tangents are drawn to the hyperbola x square by 9 minus y square by 4 equal to 1. Parallel to the straight line 2x minus y equal to 1. One of the points of contact of tangents on the hyperbola is option A, 9 by 2 root 2, minus 1 by root 2. Option B, minus 9 by 2 root 2, 1 by root 2. Option C, 9 by 2 root 2, 1 by root 2. Option D, 3 root 3, minus 2 root 2. The correct option is option C, 9 by 2 root 2, 1 by root 2. Question number 95. The equation of the circle passing through the foci of the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1 having center at 0, 3 is option A, x square plus y square minus 6y minus 7 equal to 0. Option B, x square plus y square minus 6y plus 7 equal to 0. Option C, x square plus y square minus 6y minus 5 equal to 0. Option D. X square plus y square minus 6y plus 5 equal to 0. The correct option is option A. X square plus y square minus 6y minus 7 equal to 0. Question number 96. Let C be the circle with the center at 1, 1 and radius equal to 1. If T is the circle centered at 0, y passing through the origin and touching the circle C externally, then the radius of T is equal to option A, root 3 by root 2, option B, root 3 by 2, option C, 1 by 2, option D, 1 by 4. The correct option is option D, 1 by 4. Question number 97. Consider an ellipse whose center is of the origin and its major axis is along x-axis. If its eccentricity is 3 by 5 and the distance between its foci is 6, then the area of the quadrilateral inscribed in the ellipse with diagonal as major and minor axis of the ellipse is option A, 8, option B, 32, option C, 80, option D, 40. The correct option is option D, 40. Question number 98. Area of the greatest rectangle inscribed in the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is option A, 2ab, option B, ab, option C, root ab, option D, a by b. The correct option is option A, 2ab. Question number 99. An ellipse has OB as semi-minor axis, F and F dash its foci, and the angle SBF dash is a right angle. Then the eccentricity of the ellipse is option A, 1 by root 2, option B, 1 by 2, option C, 1 by 4, option D, 1 by root 3. The correct option is option A, 1 by root 2. Question number 100. The eccentricity of the ellipse x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to y square by 9 is option A, root 3 by 2, option B, 1 by 3, option C, 1 by 3 root 2, option D, 1 by root 3. The correct option is option B, 1 by 3. Question number 101. Is the two tangents drawn from a point P to the parabola y square equal to 4ax are at right angles, then the locus of P is option A, 2x plus 1 equal to 0, option B, x equal to minus 1, option C, 2x minus 1 equal to 0, option D, x equal to 1. The correct option is option B, x equal to minus 1. Question number 102. The circle passing through 1, minus 2 and touching the axis of x at 3, 0 passing through the point option A, minus 5, 2, option B, 2, minus 5, option C, 5, minus 2, option D, minus 2, 5. The correct option is option C, 5, minus 2. Question number 103. The locus of a point whose distance from minus 2, 0 is 2 by 3 times its distance from the line. X equal to minus 9 by 2 is Option A parabola. Option B, a hyperbola. Option C, an ellipse. Option D, a circle. The correct option is option C, an ellipse. Question number 104. The value of m for which the line y equal to mx plus 2 root 5 touches the hyperbola 16x square minus 9y square equal to 144 are the roots of x square minus a plus b into x minus 4 equal to 0. Then the value of a plus b is option A 2, option B 4, option C 0, option D minus 2. The correct option is option C 0. Question number 105. If the coordinates at one end of the diameter of the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 4y plus c equal to 0 are 11, 2, the coordinates of the other end are option A minus 5, 2, option B 2, minus 5, option C 5, minus 2, option D minus 2, 5. The correct option is option B 2, minus 5. Chapter 6, Applications of Vector Algebra. Question number 106. If A vector and B vector are parallel vectors, then box product of A vector, B vector, C vector is equal to option A 2, option B minus 1, option C 1, option D 0. The correct option is option D 0. Question number 107. If a vector alpha vector lies in the plane of beta vector and gamma vector, then option A box product of alpha vector, beta vector, gamma vector equal to 1. Option B box product of alpha vector, beta vector, gamma vector equal to minus 1. Option C box product of alpha vector, beta vector, gamma vector equal to 0. Option D box product of alpha vector, beta vector, gamma vector equal to 2. The correct option is option C box product of alpha vector, beta vector, gamma vector equal to 0. Question number 108. If A vector dot B vector equal to B vector dot C vector equal to C vector dot A vector equal to 0, then the value of box product of A vector, B vector, C vector is option A determinant A vector, determinant B vector, determinant C vector. Option B 1 by 3, determinant A vector, determinant B vector, determinant C vector. Option C 1, option B minus 1. The correct option is option A determinant A vector, determinant B vector, determinant C vector. Question number 109. If A vector, B vector, C vector are 3 unit vectors such that A vector is perpendicular to B vector and is parallel to C vector, then A vector cross B vector cross C vector is equal to option A vector, option B vector, option C vector, option D 0 vector. The correct option is option B vector. Question number 110. If box product of A vector, B vector, C vector equal to 1, then the value of A vector dot B vector cross C vector divided by C vector cross A vector dot B vector plus B vector dot C vector cross A vector divided by A vector cross B vector dot C vector plus C vector dot A vector cross B vector divided by C vector cross B vector dot A vector is option A 1, option B -1, option C 2, option D 3. The correct option is option C 2. Question number 111. The volume of the parallelepiped with its edges represented by the vectors I cap plus j cap, comma, I cap plus 2j cap, comma, I cap plus j cap plus pi k cap is option A pi by 2, option B pi by 3, option C pi, option D pi by 4. The correct option is option C pi. Question number 112. If A vector and B vector are unit vectors such that box product of A vector, B vector, A vector cross B vector equal to pi by 4, then the angle between A vector and B vector is option A pi by 6, option B pi by 4, option C pi by 3, option D pi by 2. The correct option is option A pi by 6. Question number 113. If A vector equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap, B vector equal to I cap plus j cap, C vector equal to I cap, and A vector cross B vector cross C vector equal to lambda A vector plus mu B vector, then the value of lambda plus mu is option A 0, option B 1, option C 6, option D 3. The correct option is option A 0. Question number 114. If A vector, B vector, C vector are non-coplanar, non-zero vectors such that box product of A vector, B vector, C vector equal to 3, then box product of A vector cross B vector, B vector cross C vector, C vector cross A vector whole square is equal to option A 81, option B 9, option C 27, option D 18. The correct option is option A 81. Question number 115. If A vector, B vector, C vector are three non-coplanar unit vectors such that A vector cross B vector cross C vector equal to B vector plus C vector divided by root 2, then the angle between A vector and B vector is option A pi by 2, option B 3 pi by 4, option C pi by 4, option D pi. The correct option is option B 3 pi by 4. Question number 116. Is the volume of the parallelepiped with A vector cross B vector, B vector cross C vector, C vector cross A vector has coterminous edges is 8 cubic units, then the volume of parallelepiped with A vector cross B vector cross B vector cross C vector, B vector cross C vector, C vector cross A vector, and C vector cross A vector cross A vector cross B vector as coterminous edges is option A 8 cubic units, option B 512 cubic units, option C 64 cubic units, option D 24 cubic units. The correct option is option C 64 cubic units. Question number 117. Consider the vectors A vector, B vector, C vector, D vector such that A vector cross B vector cross C vector cross D vector equal to 0 vector. Let P1 and P2 be the planes determined by the pairs of vector A vector, B vector and C vector, D vector respectively. Then the angle between P1 and P2 is option A 0 degree, option B 45 degree, option C 60 degree, option D 90 degree. The correct option is option A 0 degree. Question number 118. If A vector cross B vector cross C vector equal to A vector cross B vector cross C vector, where A vector, B vector, C vector are any three vectors such that B vector dot C vector not equal to 0 and A vector dot B vector not equal to 0. Then A vector and C vector are option A perpendicular, option B parallel, option C inclined at an angle pi by 3, option D inclined at an angle pi by 6. The correct option is option B parallel. Question number 119. If A vector equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap, B vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus 5k cap, C vector equal to 3i cap plus 5j cap minus k cap, then a vector perpendicular to A vector and lies in the plane containing B vector and C vector is option A minus 17 I cap plus 21 j cap minus 97 k cap, option B 17 I cap plus 21 j cap minus 123 k cap, option C minus 17 I cap minus 21 j cap plus 97 k cap, option D minus 17 I cap minus 21 j cap minus 97 k cap. The correct option is option D minus 17 I cap minus 21 j cap minus 97 k cap. Question number 120. The angle between the lines x minus 2 by 3 equal to y plus 1 by minus 2, z equal to 2 and x minus 1 by 1 equal to 2y plus 3 divided by 3 equal to z plus 5 divided by 2 is option A pi by 6, option B pi by 4, option C pi by 3, option D pi by 2. The correct option is option D pi by 2. Question number 121. If the lines x minus 2 by 3 equal to y minus 1 by minus 5 equal to z plus 2 by 2 lies in the plane x plus 3y minus alpha z plus beta equal to 0, then alpha, beta is option A minus 5, 5, option B minus 6, 7, option C 5, minus 5, option D 6, minus 7. The correct option is option B minus 6, 7. Question number 122. The angle between the line r vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap plus t into 2i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap and the plane r vector dot I cap plus j cap plus 4 equal to 0 is option A 0 degree, option B 30 degree. Option C 45 degree. Option D 90 degree. The correct option is option C 45 degree. Question number 123. The coordinates of the point where the line r vector equal to 6 I cap minus j cap minus 3k cap plus t into minus I cap plus 4k cap meets the plane r vector dot I cap plus j cap minus k cap equal to 3r. Option A 2, 1, 0. Option B 7, minus 1, minus 7. Option C 1, 2, minus 6. Option D 5, minus 1, 1. The correct option is option D 5, minus 1, 1. Question number 124. Distance from the origin to the plane 3x minus 6y plus 2z plus 7 equal to 0 is option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 3. The correct option is option B 1. Question number 125. The distance between the planes x plus 2y plus 3z plus 7 equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y plus 6z plus 7 equal to 0 is option A root 7 by 2 root 2, option B 7 by 2, option C root 7 by 2, option D 7 by 2 root 2. The correct option is option B 7 by 2. Question number 126. If the direction cosines of a line are 1 by c, 1 by c, 1 by c, then option A c equal to plus or minus 3. Option B c equal to plus or minus root 3. Option C greater than 0. Option D 0 less than c less than 1. The correct option is option B c equal to plus or minus root 3. Question number 127. The vector equation r vector equal to I cap minus 2 j cap minus k cap plus t into 6 j cap minus k cap represents a straight line passing through the points. Option A 0, 6, minus 1 and 1, minus 2, minus 1. Option B 0, 6, minus 1 and minus 1, minus 4, minus 2. Option C 1, minus 2, minus 1 and 1, 4, minus 2. Option D 1, minus 2, minus 1 and 0, minus 6, 1. The correct option is option C 1, minus 2, minus 1 and 1, 4, minus 2. Question number 128. If the distance of the point 1, 1, 1 from the origin is half of its distance from the plane x plus y plus z plus k equal to 0, then the value of k are option A plus or minus 3, option B plus or minus 6, option C minus 3, 9, option D 3, minus 9. The correct option is option D 3, minus 9. Question number 129. If the planes r vector dot 2I cap minus lambda j cap plus k cap equal to 3 and r vector dot 4I cap plus j cap minus mu k cap equal to 5 are parallel, then the value of lambda and mu are option A 1 by 2, minus 2, option B minus 1 by 2, comma 2. Option C, minus 1 by 2, comma minus 2. Option D, 1 by 2, comma 2. The correct option is option C, minus 1 by 2, comma minus 2. Question number 130. Is the length of the perpendicular from the origin to the plane 2x plus 3y plus lambda z equal to 1, where lambda is greater than 0 is 1 by 5. Then the value of lambda is option A, 2 root 3, option B, 3 root 2, option C, 0, option D, 1. The correct option is option A, 2 root 3. Chapter 7. Applications of Differential Calculus. Question number 131. The volume of a sphere is increasing in volume at the rate of 3 pi centimeter cube per second. The rate of change of its radius when radius is 1 by 2 centimeter. Option A, 3 centimeter per second. Option B, 2 centimeter per second. Option C, 1 centimeter per second. Option D, 1 by 2 centimeter per second. The correct option is option A, 3 centimeter per second. Question number 132. A balloon rises straight up at 10 meter per second. An observer is 40 meter away from the spot where the balloon left the ground. Find the rate of change of balloon's angle of elevation in radian per second when the balloon is 30 meter above the ground. Option A, 3 by 25 radians per second. Option B, 4 by 25 radians per second. Option C, 1 by 5 radians per second. Option D, 1 by 3 radians per second. The correct option is option B, 4 by 25 radians per second. Question number 133. The position of a particle moving along a horizontal line of any time t is given by s of t equal to 3t square minus 2t minus 8. The time at which the particle is at rest is option A, t equal to 0. Option B, t equal to 1 by 3. Option C, t equal to 1. Option D, t equal to 3. The correct option is option B, t equal to 1 by 3. Question number 134. A stone is thrown up vertically. The height it reaches at time t second is given by x equal to 80t minus 16t square. The stone reaches the maximum height in time t seconds is given by option A, 2, option B, 2.5, option C, 3, option D, 3.5. The correct option is option B, 2.5. Question number 135. Find the point on the curve 6y equal to x cube plus 2 at which y coordinate changes x times as fast as x coordinate is. Option A, 4, 11. Option B, 4, minus 11. Option C, minus 4, 11. Option D, minus 4, minus 11. The correct option is option A, 4, 11. Question number 136. The abscissa of a point on the curve f of x equal to root 8 minus 2x at which the slope of the tangent is minus 0.25. Option A, minus 8. Option B, minus 4. Option C, minus 2. Option D, 0. The correct option is option B, minus 4. The question number 137. The slope of the line normal to the curve f of x equal to 2 cos 4x at x equal to pi by 12 is option A minus 4 root 3, option B minus 4, option C root 3 by 12, option D 4 root 3. The correct option is option C root 3 by 12. Question number 138. The tangent to the curve y square minus xy plus 9 equal to 0 is vertical when option A y equal to 0, option B y equal to plus or minus root 3, option C y equal to 1 by 2, option D y equal to plus or minus 3. The correct option is option D, y equal to plus or minus 3. Question number 139. Angle between y square equal to x and x square equal to y at the origin is option A, tan inverse of 3 by 4, option B, tan inverse of 4 by 3, option C, pi by 2, option D, pi by 4. The correct option is pi by 2. Question number 140. What is the value of the limit x tends to 0 cot x minus 1 by x is option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D infinity. The correct option is option A 0. Question number 141. The function sin power 4x plus cos power 4x is increasing in the interval option A closed interval 5 pi by 8, 3 pi by 4. Option B closed interval pi by 2, 5 pi by 8. Option C closed interval pi by 4, pi by 2. Option D closed interval 0, pi by 4. The correct option is option C closed interval pi by 4, pi by 2. Question number 142. The number given by the Rolle's theorem for the function x cube minus 3x square where x belongs to 0, 3 is option A 1, option B root 2, option C 3 by 2, option D 2. The correct option is option D 2. Question number 143. The number given by the mean value theorem for the function 1 by x where x belongs to 1, 9 is option A 2, option B 2.5, option C 3, option D 3.5. The correct option is option C 3. Question number 144. The minimum value of the function modulus of 3 minus x plus 9 is option A 0, option B 3, option C 6, option D 9. The correct option is option D 9. Question number 145. The maximum slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to e power x sin x where x belongs to 0, 2 pi is that option A x equal to pi by 4, option B x equal to pi by 2, option C x is equal to pi, option D x is equal to 3 pi by 2. The correct option is option B x equal to pi by 2. Question number 146. The maximum value of the function x square e power minus 2x where x is greater than 0 is option A 1 by e, option B 1 by 2e, Option C, 1 by e square. Option D, 4 by e power 4. The correct option is option C, 1 by e square. Question number 147. One of the closest points on the curve x square minus y square equal to 4 to the point 6, 0 is option A, 2, 0. Option B, root 5, 1. Option C, 3, root 5. Option D, root 13, minus root 3. The correct option is option C, 3, root 5. Question number 148. The maximum value of the product of two positive numbers when their sum of the squares is 200 is option A, 100. Option B, 25 root 7. Option C, 28. Option D, 24 root 14. The correct option is option A, 100. Question number 149. The curve y equal to ax power 4 plus bx square with ab greater than 0. Option A has no horizontal tangent. Option B is concave up. Option C is concave down. Option D has no point of inflection. The correct option is option D, has no points of inflection. Question number 150. The point of inflection of the curve y equal to x minus 1 whole cube is option A, 0, 0. Option B, 0, 1. Option C, 1, 0. Option D, 1, 1. The correct option is option C, 1, 0. Chapter 8, Differentials and Partial Derivatives. Question number 151. A circular template has a radius of 10 centimeter. The measurement of the radius has an approximate error of 0.02 centimeter. Then the percentage error in calculating area of this template is option A, 0.2 percentage. Option B, 0.4 percentage. Option C, 0.04 percentage. Option D, 0.08 percentage. The correct option is option D, 0.4 percentage. Question number 152. The percentage error of fifth root of 31 is approximately how many times the percentage error in 31? Option A, 1 by 31. Option B, 1 by 5. Option C, 5. Option D, 31. The correct option is option B, 1 by 5. Question number 153. If u of x, y equal to e power x square plus y square, then dou u by dou x is equal to option A, e power x square plus y square. Option B, 2xu. Option C, x square u. Option D, y square u. The correct option is option B, 2xu. Question number 154. If v of x, y equal to log of e power x plus e power y, then dou v by dou x plus dou v by dou y is equal to option A, e power x plus e power y. Option B, 1 by e power x plus e power y. Option C, 2. Option D, 1. The correct option is option D, 1. Question number 155. If w of x, y equal to x power y, where x greater than 0, then dou w by dou x is equal to option A, x power y log x, option B, y log x, option C, y x power y minus 1, option D, x log y. The correct option is option C, y x power y minus 1. Question number 156. If f of x comma y equal to e power xy, then dou square f by dou x dou y is equal to option A, xy e power xy, option B, 1 plus xy e power xy, option C, 1 plus x into e power xy, option D, 1 plus x into e power xy. The correct option is option B, 1 plus xy into e power xy. Question number 157. If we measure the side of a cube to be 4 cm with an error of 0.1 cm, then the error in our calculation of the volume is option A, 0.4 cubic centimeter, option B, 0.45 cubic centimeter, option C, 2 cubic centimeter, option D, 4.8 cubic centimeter. The correct option is option D, 4.8 cubic centimeter. Question number 158. The change in the surface area S equal to 6x square of a cube when the edge length varies from x0 to x0 plus dx is option A, 12x0 plus dx, option B, 12x0 dx, option C, 6x0 dx, option D, 6x0 plus dx. The correct option is option B, 12x0 dx. Question number 159. The approximate change in the volume V of a cube of side x meters caused by increasing the side by 1% is option A, 0.3 x dx meter cube, option B, 0.03 x meter cube, option C, 0.03 x square meter cube, option D, 0.03 x cube meter cube. The correct option is option C, 0.03 x square meter cube. Question number 160. If g of x comma y equal to 3x square minus 5y plus 2y square, x of t equal to e power t and y of t equal to cos t, then dg by dt is equal to option A, 6 e power 2t plus 5 sin t minus 4 cos t sin t, option B, 6 e power 2t minus 5 sin t plus 4 cos t sin t, option C, 3 e power 2t plus 5 sin t plus 4 cos t sin t, option D, 3 e power 2t minus 5 sin t plus 4 cos t sin t. The correct option is option A, 6 e power 2t plus 5 sin t minus 4 cos t sin t. Question number 161. If f of x equal to x by x plus 1, then its differential is given by option A, minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx, option B, 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx, option C, 1 by x plus 1 dx, option D, minus 1 by x plus 1 dx. The correct option is option B, 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Question number 162. If u of x comma y equal to x square plus 3xy plus y minus 2019, then dou u by dou x differentiated from 4 comma minus 5 is equal to option A minus 4, option B minus 3, option C minus 7, option D 13. The correct option is option C minus 7. Question number 163. Linear approximation for g of x equal to cos x at x equal to pi by 2 is option A x plus pi by 2, option B minus x plus pi by 2, option C x minus pi by 2, option D minus x minus pi by 2. The correct option is option B minus x plus pi by 2. Question number 164. If w of x comma y comma z equal to x square into y minus z plus y square into z minus x plus z square into x minus y, then dou w by dou x plus dou w by dou y plus dou w by dou z is option A xy plus yz plus zx, option B x into y plus z, option C y into z plus x, option D 0. The correct option is option D 0. Question number 165. If f of x comma y comma z equal to xy plus yz plus zx, then fx minus fz is equal to option A z minus x, option B y minus z, option C x minus z, option D y minus x. The correct option is option A z minus x. Chapter 9. Applications of integration. Question number 166. The value of integral over 0 to 2 by 3 dx divided by root of 4 minus 9x square is option A pi by 6, option B pi by 2, option C pi by 4, option D pi. The correct option is option A pi by 6. Question number 167. The value of integral over minus 1 to 2 modulus of x dx is option A 1 by 2, option B 3 by 2, option C 5 by 2, option D 7 by 2. The correct option is option C 5 by 2. Question number 168. For any value of n belongs to integers where integral 0 to pi e power cos square x cos cube of 2n plus 1x into dx is option A pi by 2, option B pi, option C 0, option D 2. The correct option is option C 0. Question number 169. The value of integral over minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x cos x dx is option A 3 by 2, option B 1 by 2, option C 0, option D 2 by 3. The correct option is option A 3 by 2. Question number 170. The value of integral over minus 4 to 4 tan inverse of x square by x power 4 plus 1 plus tan inverse of x power 4 plus 1 by x square dx is option A pi, option B 2 pi, option C 3 pi, option D 4 pi. The correct option is option D 4 pi. Question number 171. The value of integral over minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. 2x power 7 minus 3x power 5 plus 7x cube minus x plus 1 divided by cos square x dx is option A 4, option B 3, option C 2, option D 0. The correct option is option C 2. Question number 172. If f of x equal to integral over 0 to x t cos t dt, then df by dx equal to option A cos x minus x sin x, option B sin x plus x cos x, option C x cos x, option D x sin x. The correct option is option C x cos x. Question number 173. The area between y square equal to 4ax and its lattice rectum is option A 2 by 3, option B 4 by 3, option C 8 by 3, option D 5 by 3. The correct option is option A 2 by 3. Question number 174. The value of integral over 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x whole power 99 dx is option A 1 by 11,000, option B 1 by 10,100, option C 1 by 10,010, option D 1 by 10,001. The correct option is option B 1 by 10,100. Question number 175. The value of integral over 0 to pi dx divided by 1 plus 5 power cos x is option A pi by 2, option B pi, option C 3 pi by 2, option D 2 pi. The correct option is option A pi by 2. Question number 176. If CL of n plus 2 divided by CL of n equal to 90, then n is option A 10, option B 5, option C 8, option D 9. The correct option is option D 9. Question number 177. The value of integral over 0 to pi by 6 cos cube 3x dx is option A 2 by 3, option B 2 by 9, option C 1 by 9, option D 1 by 3. The correct option is option B 2 by 9. Question number 178. The value of integral over 0 to pi sin power 4x dx is option A 3 pi by 10, option B 3 pi by 8, option C 3 pi by 4, option D 3 pi by 2. The correct option is option B 3 pi by 8. Question number 179. The value of integral over 0 to infinity e power minus 3x x square dx is Option A 7 by 27. Option B 5 by 27. Option C 4 by 27. Option D 2 by 27. The correct option is option D 2 by 27. Question number 180. If integral over 0 to a 1 by 4 plus x square dx equal to pi by 8, then a is option A 4, option B 1, option C 3, option D 2. The correct option is option D 2. Question number 181. The volume of solid of revolution of the region bounded by y square equal to x into a minus x about x-axis is option A pi a cube, option B pi a cube divided by 4, option C pi a cube divided by 5, option D pi a cube divided by 6. The correct option is option D pi a cube divided by 6. Question number 182. If f of x equal to integral over 1 to x e power sin u divided by u du, where x is greater than 1, and integral over 1 to 3 e power sin x square divided by x dx equal to 1 by 2 into f of a minus f of 1, then one of the possible value of a is option A 3, option B 6, option C 9, option D 5. The correct option is option C 9. Question number 183. The value of integral over 0 to 1 sin inverse of x whole square dx is option A pi square by 4 minus 1, option B pi square by 4 plus 2, option C pi square by 4 plus 1, option D pi square by 4 minus 2. The correct option is option D pi square by 4 minus 2. Question number 185. The value of integral over 0 to a root of a square minus x square whole cube dx is option A pi a cube by 16, option B 3 pi a power 4 by 16, option C 3 pi a cube by 8, option D 3 pi a power 4 by 8. The correct option is option B 3 pi a power 4 by 16. Question number 185. If integral over 0 to x f of t dt equal to x plus integral over x to 1 t f of t dt, then the value of f of 1 is option A 1 by 2, option B 2, option C 1, option D 3 by 4. The correct option is option A 1 by 2. Chapter 10. Ordinary Differential Equations. Question number 186. The order and degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole power 1 by 3 plus x power 1 by 4 equal to 0 or respectively. Option A 2, 3, option B 3, 3, option C 2, 6, option D 2, 4. The correct option is option A 2, 3. Question number 187. The differential equation representing the family of curve y equal to a cos of x plus b where a and b are parameters is option A, d square y by dx square minus y equal to 0. Option B, d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. Option C, d square y by dx square equal to 0. Option D, d square x by dy square equal to 0. The correct option is option B, d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. Question number 188. The order and degree of the differential equation root sin x dx plus dy equal to root cos x dx minus dy is option A 1, 2, option B 2, 2, option C 1, 1, option D 2, 1. The correct option is option C 1, 1. Question number 189. The order of the differential equation of all circles with center at h, k and radius a is option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 1. The correct option is option B 3. Question number 190. The differential equation of the family of curves y equal to a e power x plus b e power minus x, where a and b are arbitrary constants is option A, d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. Option B, d square y by dx square minus y equal to 0. Option C, dy by dx plus y equal to 0. Option D, dy by dx minus y equal to 0. The correct option is option B, d square y by dx square minus y equal to 0. Question number 191. The general solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to y by x is option A, xy equal to k. Option B, y equal to k log x. Option C, y equal to kx. Option D, log y equal to kx. The correct option is option C, y equal to kx. Question number 192. The solution of the differential equation 2x dy by dx minus y equal to 3 represents option A, straight lines, option B, circles, option C, parabola, option D, ellipse. The correct option is option C, parabola. Question number 193. The solution of dy by dx plus p of x y equal to 0 is option A, y equal to c into e power integral p dx. Option B, y equal to c e power minus integral p dx. Option C, x equal to c e power minus integral p dy. Option D, x equal to c e power integral p dy. The correct option is option B, y equal to c e power minus integral p dx. Question number 194. The integrating factor of the differential equation dy by dx plus y equal to 1 plus y divided by lambda is option A, x divided by e power lambda. Option B, e power lambda divided by x. Option C, lambda e power x. Option D, e power x. The correct option is option B, e power lambda divided by x. Question number 195. The integrating factor of the differential equation dy by dx plus p of x y equal to q of x is x. Then p of x. Option A, x. Option B, x square by 2. Option C, 1 by x. Option D, 1 by x square. The correct option is option C, 1 by x. Question number 196. The degree of the differential equation y of x equal to 1 plus dy by dx plus 1 by 1 into 2 dy by dx whole square plus 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 into dy by dx whole cube plus is option A, 2, option B, 3, option C, 1, option D, 4. The correct option is option C, 1. Question number 197. If P and Q are order and degree of the differential equation y dy by dx plus x cube d square y by dx square plus xy equal to cos x, when option A, P less than Q, option B, P equal to Q, option C, P greater than Q, option D, P exists and Q does not exist. The correct option is option C, P greater than Q. Question number 198. The solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus 1 by root of 1 minus x square equal to 0 is option A, y plus sin inverse of x equal to c. Option B, x plus sin inverse of y equal to 0. Option C, y square plus 2 sin inverse of x equal to c. Option D, x square plus 2 sin inverse of y equal to 0. The correct option is option A, y plus sin inverse of x equal to c. Question number 199. The solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to 2xy is option A, y equal to c e power x square. Option B, y equal to 2x square plus c. Option C, y equal to c e power minus x square plus c. Option D, y equal to x square plus c. The correct option is option A, y equal to c e power x square. Question number 200. The general solution of the differential equation log of dy by dx equal to x plus y is option A, e power x plus e power y equal to c. Option B, e power x plus e power minus y equal to c. Option C, e power minus x plus e power y equal to c. Option D, e power minus x plus e power minus y equal to c. The correct option is option B, e power x plus e power minus y equal to c. Question number 201. The solution of dy by dx equal to 2 power y minus x is option A, 2 power x plus 2 power y equal to c. Option B, 2 power x minus 2 power y equal to c. Option C, 1 by 2 power x minus 1 by 2 power y equal to c. Option D, x plus y equal to c. The correct option is option C, 1 by 2 power x minus 1 by 2 power y equal to c. Question number 202. The solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to y by x plus pi of y by x divided by pi dash of y by x is option A, x pi of y by x equal to k. Option B, pi of y by x equal to kx. Option C, y pi of y by x equal to k. Option D, pi of y by x equal to ky. The correct option is option B, pi of y by x equal to kx. Question number 203. If sin x is the integrating factor of the linear differential equation dy by dx plus py equal to q, then p is option A, log sin x, option B, cos x, option C, tan x, option D, cot x. The correct option is option D, cot x. Question number 204. The number of arbitrary constants in the general solutions of order n and n plus 1 are respectively. Option A, n minus 1, n. Option B, n, n plus 1. Option C, n plus 1, n plus 2. Option D, n plus 1, n. The correct option is option B, n, n plus 1. Question number 205. The number of arbitrary constants in the particular solution of a differential equation of third order is option A, 3, option B, 2, option C, 1, option D, 0. The correct option is option D, 0. Question number 206. Integrating factor of the differential equation dy by dx equal to x plus y plus 1 divided by x plus 1 is option A, 1 by x plus 1. Option B, x plus 1. Option C, 1 by root x plus 1. Option D, root x plus 1. The correct option is option A, 1 by x plus 1. Question number 207. The population P in any year T is such that the rate of increase in the population is proportional to the population. Then option A, T equal to C e power kt. Option B, P equal to C e power minus kt. Option C, P equal to C kt. Option D, P equal to C. The correct option is option A, P equal to C e power kt. Question number 208. P is the amount of certain substance left in after time t. If the rate of evaporation of the substance is proportional to the amount remaining, then option A, P is equal to C e power kt. Option B, P equal to C e power minus kt. Option C, P equal to C kt. Option D, Pt equal to C. The correct option is option B, P equal to C e power minus kt. Question number 209. If the solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to ax plus 3 divided by 2y plus f represents a circle, then the value of a is Option A 2, option B -2, option C 1, option D -1. The correct option is option B -2. Question number 210. The slope at any point of a curve y equal to f of x is given by dy by dx equal to 3x square and it passes through -1, 1. Then the equation of the curve is option A y equal to x cube plus 2. Option B y equal to 3x square plus 4. Option C y equal to 3x power 3 plus 4. Option D y equal to x cube plus 5. The correct option is option A y equal to x cube plus 2. Chapter 11 Probability Distributions. Question number 211. Let x be random variable with probability density function f of x equal to 2 by x cube, x greater than or equal to 1, where 0, x less than 1. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A. Both mean and variance exist. Option B. Mean exists but variance does not exist. Option C. Both mean and variance do not exist. Option D. Variance exists but mean does not exist. The correct option is option B. Mean exists but variance does not exist. Question number 212. A rod of length 2L is broken into two pieces at random. The probability density function of the shorter of the two pieces is f of x equal to 1 by L, 0 less than x less than L. 0 for L less than or equal to x less than 2L. The mean and variance of the shorter of the two pieces are respectively option A L by 2, L square by 3. Option B L by 2, L square by 6. Option C L, L square by 12. Option D L by 2, L square by 12. The correct option is option D L by 2, L square by 12. Question number 213. Consider a game where the player tosses a 6-sided fair die. If the face that comes up is 6, the player wins rupees 36. Otherwise, he lost rupees k square. Where k is the face that comes up, k equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The expected amount to win at this game in rupees is option A 19 by 6, option B minus 19 by 6, option C 3 by 2, option D minus 3 by 2. The correct option is option B minus 19 by 6. Question number 214. A pair of dice numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of a 6-sided die and 1, 2, 3, 4 of a 4-sided die is rolled and the sum is determined. Let the random variable x denote this sum. Then the number of elements in the inverse image of 7 is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct option is option D 4. Question number 215. A random variable x has binomial distribution with n equal to 25 and p equal to 0.8. Then standard deviation of x is option A 6, option B 4, option C 3, option D 2. The correct option is option D 2. Question number 216. Let x represent the difference between the number of heads and the number of tails obtained when a coin is tossed n times. Then the possible values of x are option A I plus 2n, I equal to 0, 1, 2 n. Option B 2i minus n, I equal to 0, 1, 2 n. Option C n minus I, I equal to 0, 1, 2 n. Option D 2i plus 2n, I equal to 0, 1, 2 n. The correct option is option B 2i minus n, I equal to 0, 1, 2 n. Question number 217. If the functions f of x equal to 1 by 12 for a less than x less than b represents a probability density function of a continuous random variable x, then which of the following cannot be the value of a and b? Option A 0 and 12. Option B 5 and 17. Option C 7 and 19. Option D 16 and 24. The correct option is option D 16 and 24. Question number 218. 4 buses carrying 160 students from the same school arrive at a football stadium. The buses carry respectively 42, 36, 34 and 48 students. One of the students is randomly selected. Let x denote the number of students that were on the bus carrying the randomly selected student. One of the 4 bus drivers is also randomly selected. Let y denote the number of students on the bus. Then mathematical expectation of x and mathematical expectation of y respectively are option A 50, 40, option B 40, 50, option C 40.75, 40, option D 41, 41. The correct option is option C 40.75, 40. Question number 219. 2 coins are to be flipped. The first coin will land on heads with probability 0.6. The second with probability 0.5. Assume that the results of the flip are independent and let x equal the total number of heads that result. Then the value of mathematical expectation of x is option A 0.11, option B 1.1, option C 11, option D 1. The correct option is option B 1.1. Question number 220. On a multiple choice exam with 3 possible descriptives for each of the 5 questions, the probability that the student will get 4 or more correct answers just by guessing is option A 11 by 243, Option B 3 by 8. Option C 1 by 243. Option D 5 by 243. The correct option is option A 11 by 243. Question number 221. If P of x equal to 0 equal to 1 minus P of x equal to 1. If E of x equal to 3 variants of x, then P of x equal to 0 is option A 2 by 3, option B 2 by 5, option C 1 by 5, option D 1 by 3. The correct option is option D 1 by 3. Question number 222. If x is a binomial random variable with expected value 6 and variance 2.4, then P of x equal to 5 is option A binomial distribution of 10, 5, 3 by 5 whole power 6, 2 by 5 whole power 4. Option B binomial distribution of 10, 5, 3 by 5 whole power 10. Option C binomial distribution of 10, 5, 3 by 5 whole power 4, 2 by 5 whole power 6. Option D binomial distribution of 10, 5, 3 by 5 whole power 5, 2 by 5 whole power 5. The correct option is option D. Then binomial distribution of 10, 5, 3 by 5 whole power 5, 2 by 5 whole power 5. Question number 223. The random variable x has a probability density function f of x equal to ax plus b for 0 less than x less than 1, 0 otherwise, and e of x equal to 7 by 12, then a and b are respectively. Option A 1 and 1 by 2. Option B 1 by 2 and 1. Option C 2 and 1. Option D 1 and 2. The correct option is option A 1 and 1 by 2. Question number 224. Suppose that x takes on one of the values 0, 1 and 2 if for some constant k, P of x equal to I equal to kp of x equal to I minus 1 for I equal to 1, 2 and P of x equal to 0 equal to 1 by 7. Then the value of k is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct option is option B 2. Question number 225. Which of the following is a discrete random variable? 1. The number of cars crossing a particular signal in a day. 2. The number of customers in a queue to buy train tickets at a moment. 3. The time taken to complete a telephone call. Option A 1 and 2. Option B 2 only. Option C 3 only. Option D 2 and 3. The correct option is option A 1 and 2. Question number 226. If f of x equal to 2x for 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to a, 0 otherwise is a probability density function of a random variable, then the value of a is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct option is option A 1. Question number 227. The probability mass function of a random variable is defined as x minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 f of x k 2x 3k 4k 5k. Then e of x equal to option A 1 by 15, option B 1 by 10, option C 1 by 3, option D 2 by 3. The correct option is option D 2 by 3. Question number 228. Let x have a binomial Bernoulli distribution with mean 0.4. Then the variance of 2x minus 3 is option A 0.24, option B 0.48, option C 0.6, option D 0.96. The correct option is option D 0.96. Question number 229. If in 6 trials x is a binomial variable which follows the relation 9 p of x equal to 4 equal to p of x is equal to 2, then the probability of success is option A 0.125, option B 0.25, option C 0.375, option D 0.75. The correct option is option B 0.25. Question number 230. A computer salesperson knows from his past experience that he sells computer to 1 in every 20 customers who enters the showroom. What is the probability that he will sell a computer to exactly 2 of the next 3 customers? Option A 57 by 20 cube. Option B 57 by 20 square. Option C 19 cube divided by 20 cube. Option D 57 by 20. The correct option is option A 57 by 20 cube. Chapter 12, Discrete Mathematics. Question number 231. A binary operation on a set S is a function from option A S implies S, option B S cross X implies S, option B S implies S cross X, option D S cross S implies S cross S. The correct option is option B S cross S implies S. Question number 232. Subtraction is not a binary operation in option A real numbers, options B integers, option C natural numbers, option D Q. The correct option is option C natural numbers. Question number 233. Which one of the following is a binary operation on n? Option A subtraction, option B multiplication, option C division, option D all of the above. The correct option is option B multiplication. Question number 234. In the set R of real number, star is defined as which one of the following is not binary operation on OR? Option A star B equal to minimum of A dot B. Option B A star B equal to maximum of A comma B. Option C A star B equal to A. Option D, A star B equal to A power B. The correct option is option D, A star B equal to A power B. Question number 235. The operation star defined by A star B equal to AB divided by 7 is not a binary operation on option A, Q positive, option B, Z, option C or option D, C. The correct option is option B, Z. Question number 236. In the set Q, define A circled dot B equal to A plus B plus AB for what value of y comma 3 circled dot of y circle dot 5 equal to 7. Option A, y equal to 2 by 3. Option B, y equal to minus 2 by 3. Option C, y equal to minus 3 by 2. Option D, y equal to 4. The correct option is option B, y equal to minus 2 by 3. Question number 237. If A star B equal to root of A square plus B square on the real numbers, then star is option A, commutative but not associative. Option B, associative but not commutative. Option C, both commutative and associative. Option D, neither commutative nor associative. The correct option is option C, both commutative and associative. Question number 238. Which one of the following statements has the truth value t? Option A, sin x is an even function. Option B, every square matrix is non-singular. Option C, the product of complex number and its conjugate is purely imaginary. Option D, root 5 is an irrational number. The correct option is option D, root 5 is an irrational number. Question number 239. Which one of the following statement has truth value f? Option A, Chennai is in India or root 2 is an integer. Option B, Chennai is in India or root 2 is an irrational number. Option C, Chennai is in China or root 2 is an integer. Option D, Chennai is in China or root 2 is an irrational number. The correct option is option C, Chennai is in China or root 2 is an integer. Question number 240. If a compound statement involves 3 simple statements, then the number of rows in the truth table is option A, 9, option B, 8, option C, 6, option D, 3. The correct option is option B, 8. Question number 241. Which one is the inverse of the statement P disjunction Q implies P conjunction Q? Option A, P conjunction Q implies P disjunction Q. Option B, negation of P disjunction Q implies P conjunction Q. Option C, negation of P disjunction negation Q implies negation P conjunction negation Q. Option D, negation P conjunction negation Q implies negation P disjunction negation Q. The correct option is option D, negation P conjunction negation Q implies negation P disjunction negation Q. Question number 242. Which one is the contrapositive of the statement P disjunction Q implies R? Option A. Negation R implies negation P conjunction negation Q. Option B. Negation R implies P disjunction Q. Option C. R implies P conjunction Q. Option D. P implies Q disjunction R. The correct option is option A. Negation R implies negation P conjunction negation Q. Question number 243. The truth table for P conjunction Q disjunction negation Q is given below. P column T T F F. Q column T F T F. P conjunction Q disjunction negation Q column. Option A, option B, option C, option D. Which one of the following is true? Option A. T T T T. Option B. T F T T. Option C. T T F T. Option D. T F F F. The correct option is option C. T T F T. Question number 244. In the last column of the truth table for negation P disjunction negation Q, the number of final outcomes of the truth value F are option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct option is option C 3. Question number 245. Which one of the following is incorrect? For any two propositions P and Q we have option A. Negation of P disjunction Q equivalent to negation P conjunction negation Q. Option B. Negation P conjunction Q equivalent to negation P disjunction negation Q. Option C. Negation P disjunction Q equivalent to negation P disjunction negation Q. Option D. Negation of negation P equivalent to P. The correct option is option C. Negation P disjunction Q equivalent to negation P disjunction negation Q. Question number 246. P column T T F F, Q column T F T F. P conjunction Q implies negation P column A, B, C, D. Which one of the following is correct for the truth table? P conjunction Q implies negation P. Option A. T T T T. Option B. F T T T. Option C. S F T T. Option D. T T T F. The correct option is option B. F T T T. Question number 247. The dual of negation P disjunction Q disjunction of P disjunction P conjunction negation or is option A. Negation P conjunction Q conjunction of P disjunction P conjunction negation or. Option B. P conjunction Q conjunction of P conjunction P of disjunction negation or. Option C. Negation P conjunction Q conjunction of P conjunction P conjunction R. Option D. Negation P conjunction Q conjunction P conjunction P disjunction negation or. The correct option is option D. Negation P conjunction Q, conjunction of P conjunction P disjunction negation or. Question number 248. The proposition P conjunction negation P disjunction Q is. Option A tautology. Option B, a contradiction. Option C, logically equivalent to P conjunction Q. Option D, logically equal to P disjunction Q. The correct option is option C, logically equivalent to P conjunction Q. Question number 249. Determine the truth table of each of the following statements. Option A, 4 plus 2 equal to 5 and 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Option B, 3 plus 2 equal to 5 and 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Option C, 4 plus 5 equal to 9 and 1 plus 2 equal to 4. Option D, 3 plus 2 equal to 5 and 4 plus 7 equal to 11. Option A, F, T, F, T. Option B, T, F, T, F. Option C, T, T, F, F. Option D, F, F, T, T. The correct option is option A, F, T, F, T. Question number 250. Which one of the following is not true? Option A, negation of a statement is the statement itself. Option B, if the last column of the truth table contains only T, then it is a tautology. Option C, if the last column of its truth table contains only F, then it is a contradiction. Option D, if P and Q are any two statements, then P implies both sides, Q is a tautology. The correct option is option D. If P and Q are any two statements, then P implies both sides, Q is a tautology.
ஏன் இப்ப மூஞ்சி தொங்க போட்டு வச்சிருக்க?
நான் பிகாம் முடிச்சுட்டு சிஏ அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணலான்னு இருந்தேன். ஆனா இப்ப ஜாப் போனா அதெல்லாம் பண்ண முடியாதுல்ல. அப்படி இல்லைன்னா இண்டிவிஜுவலா சிஏ ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணலான்னு இருந்தேன். பட் ஆனா என் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் நிறைய பேர் இண்டிவிஜுவலா பண்ணி அட்டெம்ப்ட்ல இருக்காங்க. ஏதாவது இன்ஸ்டியூட்ல சேர்ந்து சிஏ படிக்கலாம்னா எந்த இன்ஸ்டியூட்ல சேர்ந்து படிக்கலாம்னு எனக்கு தெரியல.
அண்ணா, என்கிட்ட ஒரு நல்ல ஐடியா இருக்கு. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு இன்ஜினியரிங்கும் மெடிக்கல்ஸும் எனக்கு செட் ஆகாதோன்னு தோணுது. பேசாம சிஏ பண்ணலாமான்னு யோசிக்கிறேன்.
இந்த ஸ்மார்ட் போல இருந்து
லாஸ்ட் இயர் டிவி ப்ரோக்ராம் பார்த்தேன். அதுல ஒருத்தர் கெரியர் அட்வைஸ் கொடுத்தாரு. அதை கேட்டதுல இருந்து எனக்கு அதுவே மைண்ட்ல ஓடிட்டே இருக்கு.
சிஏ பண்றதெல்லாம் அவ்வளவு ஈஸி கிடையாது. உங்களுக்கே ஒரு நியாயம் வேண்டாமா?
ப்ரோ அதெல்லாம் எனக்கு தெரியும். ஏன்னா நான் படிக்க போறது வந்து ஃபுல் டைம் ரெசிடென்ஷியல் ஆடிட்டிங் காலேஜ்ல. டிஸ்ட்ராக்ஷன் ஃப்ரீ என்விரான்மெண்ட், பெஸ்ட் டீச்சர்ஸ் கைடன்ஸ், நல்ல ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கம்யூனிட்டியோட இருக்கிற காலேஜ்ல படிக்க போறேன்.
இப்படி ஒரு காலேஜ் இருக்கா என்ன?
ஈரோடு பக்கத்துல என்எம்சி ஆடிட்டிங் காலேஜ்னு ஒரு இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் இருக்கு. அங்க சிஏ அண்ட் சிஎம்ஏ கோச்சிங் கொடுத்துட்டு வராங்க. நீயும் சிஏ தானே படிக்கலாம்னு இருந்த. நம்ம ரெண்டு பேரும் என்எம்சிலயே அட்மிஷன் போட்டுடலாமா?
ஆமா, சூப்பர் ஐடியா. ஓகே, உடனே அப்பா அம்மாவை கூட்டிட்டு என்எம்சி காலேஜ் போயிடலாம்.
அட்மிஷன் போடலாம், சிஏ ஆகலாம்.
சூப்பர்.
எஸ்.